To begin with creating LinkedIn campaign, you need a LinkedIn profile page and a company page on which you wish to run the ad. Start from your company page. At the upper right corner, you will see an advertise icon. Click on it. If you are first starting with the campaign manager, you will need to fill in details like account name, currency, and you will then need to provide the link of the company page for running the ad. When done, hit next. Campaign managers hold different accounts. For example, if you have 3 subsidiaries under your company name, you can create 3 different ad accounts under one campaign manager. You can also look for setting under your profile. You can manage sponsor messaging, sender permission, email preferences, business manager request, and so on. If you want to create a new ad account, just click on create and then account. Similarly, you can create a new campaign group by clicking create and then campaign group. Campaign group is basically a group of different campaigns under one ad account. You can club different ads in one group campaign. This will help you to operate and monitor all the ads with one single click. Note, this lecture will be a walkthrough on how to get started with the campaign manager. In the next lecture, we will learn how to run an ad campaign, so stay tuned.